By 2025, India's digital marketing industry is projected to be worth 500 billion rupees. India has 400 million internet users, and your next potential client is somewhere out on the internet. The way to approach them and get their attention is through digital marketing. Kickstart your digital marketing career with this career launcher. Certisured presents a 7-day workshop on digital marketing for absolute beginners. Master the fundamental concepts about social media optimization, search engine optimization, content marketing strategies, infographics designing, and info video designing. Learn up to 10 digital marketing tools and a bonus 6 secret tools used by digital marketers to get highest engagements and results. This is a live instructor-led workshop conducted by highly experienced professionals in the industry. Get a certificate at the end of the workshop. Register early and get a free Infinity Action Planner worth $399 to your doorstep. Hurry up, seats are limited.